Hello friends! Let's crochet together eggshells for these little chicks. I'll take white yarn jeans and the size of my hook is 1.7. We make a magic loop and 6 single crochets into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull the thread, there is no hole in the middle, and make a slip stitch in the first loop of the round and a chain, or we just start a new round in the first loop of the previous one. In the second round we make 6 increases, 2 single crochets in each loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A slip stitch and a chain. In the third round we make 2 single crochets and increase. 1, 2, increase, and repeat. 1, 2, increase, 1, 2, increase, and one more time. 1 single crochet, 2, and increase. And close the round. A single crochet and a chain. In the next round we make increase, and 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3. Increase, 1, 2, 3, and repeat till the end of the round. In the next round we make 4 increases with 4 single crochets between them. 1, 2, increase, 1, 2, 3, 4, increase, 1, 2, 3, 4, increase, and continue till the end of the round. In the next round, we make increases with 5 single crochets between them. 1, 2, 3, 4, increase, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, increase, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, increase, and go on. In the next round, we make 2 increases with 13 single crochets between them. 1, 2, 3, increase, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, increase, and single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A slip stitch and a chain. Now there are 30 loops in the round, and we make the next 2 rounds without changes for 30 single crochets in each round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 28, 29, 30. A slip stitch and a chain. And there is the last round. We make a single crochet, a half double crochet, a double crochet, a half double crochet, a single crochet, a slip stitch, and a slip stitch in the next loop, a single crochet, a half double crochet, a double crochet, a triple crochet, a double crochet, half double crochet, a single crochet. Then we make 3 slip stitches, and again a single crochet, a half double crochet, a double crochet, a half double crochet, a single crochet, 1 slip stitch, a single crochet, a half double crochet, a double crochet, a triple crochet, a double crochet, half double crochet, a single crochet. Cut the thread and close the round. The first eggshell is ready, and here is the pattern for the second one. It is made almost in the same way. I hope you've liked these cute chicks in eggshells, and I'll be very happy to see the photos of your toys. Thank you for attention and have a nice day.